What's up, everybody? Jason here. I just got my Ledger Nano S hardware wallet. I wanted to do an unboxing video. Super excited to start using this thing. Nobody's gonna be more secure with their cryptos than me. And if you want to steal my coins, not a chance, because I have a Ledger. I'll put a link in the description so you can see where to buy it. And let's get into opening this bad boy up. A Ledger Nano S is a hardware wallet. There's a few different types of wallets, and you can check out the video that I have posted on my channel to learn a little bit more about wallets. But pretty much this one here is a piece of hardware that has the private key on it, and nobody's going to be able to get your coins unless they have the private key, which is stored on this device that has a passcode in order to unlock it. And they've got a whole bunch of cool stuff on here, so you can get Bitcoins, Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin. A lot of different things can be held on this wallet. Great product. I've heard amazing things about it, and I'm excited to use it. Now we're gonna open this thing up, get the plastic off. They don't want you to take that stuff off. Yeah. All right. Let's get into here. As we can see, here's the beautiful device right there. So shiny and gorgeous. It's got a little key ring so you can keep it on your keychain in case you want to get it lost. And then a strap for, doing strappy things that you might want to do. The USB cord so you can plug that thing in to here. And stuff. Yeah. I got a whole bunch of stuff over here. I'm gonna set this thing up. Let's get the laptop. This right here is a MacBook Pro with touch bar. I'm not gonna unbox it right now or go into details. You probably already know about it. Now, according to this card that came with the Ledger, it says I need to go to start.ledgerwallet.com in order to get started. So that's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna get started with setting up the Ledger Nano S. So now we're over here on ledgerwallet.com looking at the setup instructions. It appears that I'm going to need to plug in this USB. Right, it's a Mac.
Hello darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. Because
Press both buttons to begin. Alright, camera's off. I'm writing down the recovery phrase. My device is ready! It works now. So as we can see here, we've got a whole bunch of wallets. There's Bitcoin, you got some Ethereums, you got some FIDO two-factor authentication settings, a whole bunch of different things. So what's really cool about a Ledger is that apart from the Bitcoin and Ethereum wallets that are built into it, you can actually install other wallets onto it. So you've got some Ripple, you want to throw that in here, you can do that. They support Dash, whole bunch of different things, Stellar, and you just install the apps onto the Ledger and you've got a wallet for that. It can even sync up to your MyEther wallet, so you could use the Ethereum wallet that you currently have all of your ERC20 tokens in and connect that to your Ledger, keep it even more secure. All in all, I've heard it's a fantastic product. So that just about sums up the Ledger Nano S unboxing and setting up video. If you liked watching this video, like this video. If you want to buy a Ledger yourself, which I really recommend if you've got some Bitcoins, you can click the link in the description. And stay tuned for more videos. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell button so you can get alerts on everything else. Comment on the video if you want me to make more stuff, and don't forget to share. Peace.